Power BI Dashboards gives you a lens to your data and KPIs so you can keep an eye on how things are progressing with up-to-date information. Rapidly view GIS map layers to collect data, record activities, and update spatial datasets. View collected data from different users pertaining to specific defect types. Designed with configurability customized for your business and teams. You can filter by year, by month, or set of months. Filter by asset type and by locality. Filter by defect type and by user. Effortlessly manage data, schedule activities, generate reports, and serve data through integration platforms, web services, or APIs. Supports offline and online, so your field teams can conduct works in remote or internet-limited areas. Collected data can be exported in various formats for easy integration to third-party systems. Better productivity and reporting for your team, mobilizing your workforce and improving your field data collection efficiency. Summit Workforce Management System, empowering teams to map accurate field data. Request a demo today. Visit our website www.iconyx.com.au.